To set a stop loss on Robinhood Crypto, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the cryptocurrency section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to set a stop loss for and click on it to go to its details page. On the details page, you will see the current price and other relevant information. To set a stop loss, you need to have an open position in that cryptocurrency. If you do not have an open position, you will need to buy some of the cryptocurrency first. Once you have an open position, click on the trade button and select sell. This will take you to the order page where you can enter your sell order. To set a stop loss, you will need to select the stop loss order type. A stop loss order is an order to sell a cryptocurrency when it falls to a certain price. This can help limit your losses if the cryptocurrency price falls. To set a stop loss, enter the stop price, which is the price at which you want to sell the cryptocurrency. For example, if you bought Bitcoin at $30,000 and you want to limit your losses to 10%, you would set a stop loss at $27,000. If the price of Bitcoin falls to $27,000, the stop loss order will be triggered and your Bitcoin will be sold at the next available price. After entering the stop price, you can also set a limit price. The limit price is the price at which you want to sell the cryptocurrency after the stop loss is triggered. If you do not set a limit price, the cryptocurrency will be sold at the next available price. Finally, click Review and confirm the order to set the stop loss. You will receive a confirmation that the stop loss order has been placed. You can also view and edit your stop loss orders in the Orders section of the app. It is essential to note that stop loss orders do not guarantee that your losses will be limited to the specified amount. If the cryptocurrency price falls rapidly, the stop loss order may be triggered at a price that is lower than the stop price. Additionally, stop loss orders can be triggered by market volatility. So it is crucial to set a stop price that is reasonable and takes into account the volatility of the cryptocurrency. By following these steps and using stop loss orders effectively, you can help limit your losses and protect your investments in the cryptocurrency market.